Hi, I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks, and this is the brand new digital day and night vision rifle scope from Pixfra. It's called the Volans, and you're going to like it, not just because it's 4K and this one's got an LRF included, but this brings you night vision and day vision capability on a rifle scope for a lot less than the cost of a thermal. And because it's Pixfra, you know it's going to be astounding value. Now I'm going to do a quick unboxing to show you exactly what it comes with and go through some of the spec for you. Right, obviously you get a lovely case. This is a Pixfra, and that is your 4K digital day and night vision Pixfra Volans. Now it's got a CMOS Starlight 4K sensor in there, and that works in daylight and in the dark. It's got 4 color modes, so in daylight it's full color, and at night time you've got a choice of black and white, green or yellow. Let's see what else this comes with. So your essential paperwork and an essential lens cleaning cloth. You have a shoulder strap if you need it for your case. It comes with 2 batteries. One will be included in the device. These are 18650 batteries, and each one will last about 5.5 hours on the device. I'll show you how easy that is to replace in a second, but 2 18650 batteries. A cable for charging the device and downloading photos and videos. Charger, should you want to charge it outside of the device, for 2 of the batteries, and a neat little throw lever which you can attach to the focus wheel. So that is your digital scope. It's got a lovely lens cap, that's your focus wheel, there's a diopter control on the back. Most of the controls for this device are going to be on this wheel here, which rotates and clicks to select. You can get through all of the menu options there really easily. In addition to it, you've got a number of controls on here. One of them changes from day vision to digital night vision, and in digital night vision mode you've got 3 different color options. You can go black and white, green or yellow. Now also in digital night vision mode you do have the option of increasing the aperture. At night time, depending on how much ambient light there is from the stars or the moon, I can open the aperture to let in more light, or available separately, you can purchase an IR illuminator to stick on the side of this. And on top you've got your laser rangefinder. Now it's easy to operate the laser rangefinder with the touch of a button just there, and it's really quick to do. 137 meters immediate. In terms of the battery usage, you get about 5.5 hours of use. As I say, it comes with 2. They're really easy to swap out, and 1/4 of a turn and that's on. The base magnification for this is 4.9 times mag, and with the digital zoom that'll go up to kind of nearly 40 times. So if you're shooting at range, you've got no problem. With a 4K sensor, you get a huge amount of detail, so you can really identify and get a good eye on your shot. The ocular lens on this, it's circular, 800 by 800 pixels, and it is huge at 1.25 inches. You've also got 70 millimeters of eye relief on this for a really big eye box, so you can get on target really quickly. So there you go, that's the Volans from Pixfra. We will be doing more videos on this, so don't forget to subscribe, and if you'd like more details visit tj-fieldsports.co.uk. I'm Dave at Thomas Jacks. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.